Continuing with for the next few sessions, inshallah ta'ala. Hopefully the concept becomes clear and people feel a bit more comfortable with this concept of balance and moderation that Islam carries. Everything has to be approached with the balance that allows it to achieve its objective. And the moment you exaggerate anything, it stops being functional. And that balance is lost, and the moderation is lost, and functionality is lost. And then extremism will substitute. And extremism can be in either direction. It can be in being doing something too much or too little. And this hadith is one of the hadith that summarize this concept in a few words, where he says, alayhi salatu wasalam, inna ad-deena yusrun walan yushadda ad-deena ahadun illa ghalabah. Indeed, this deen is rooted in ease, is rooted in achieving ease and using ease as much as possible to achieve ease. That's what he means by this, alayhi salatu wasalam. Meaning Islam is not rooted philosophically in difficulty. Islam is not a religion that is designed to be difficult. And Islam is not a religion that is designed to achieve outcomes that are difficult for human beings. And the method that you use does not have to be difficult. The concept is the opposite, is that it's yusr. وَمَا جَعَلَ عَلَيْكُمْ فِي الدِّينِ مِنْ حَرَجٍ. He says subhanahu wa ta'ala in the Quran. He did not put haraj upon you. وَنُيَسِّرُكَ لِلْيُسْرَى. You're going to be eased into the ultimate way, path of ease. That's what Islam is. Doesn't mean that there won't be difficulties. But the philosophy of it is not rooted in it being difficult. Meaning the goal is not for it to be difficult. And we're not trying to achieve something that is difficult at the end. Like we're not trying to achieve a state of difficulty. We're trying to achieve a state of ease. And we will use the easiest path to get there. As long as we don't compromise ethics. As long as we don't compromise principles. As long as we don't do haram. Now often when you hold on to that, the path will be more difficult than the path that is filled with haram and compromising of ethics. But the philosophy is not that it has to be hard. So when you're talking to children, it's not that, no, you're doing this because it's the most difficult thing to do because Islam is difficult. No, you're doing this because it's the right thing to do. But within the realm of doing the right thing, do the easiest one. Do the one that has the most ease in it. And that will help you achieve that which is most easy. That's why the Prophet ﷺ said, وَلَنْ يُشَادَّ. So this is linguistically وَلَنْ يُشَادِدَ, but udghimata. The two dals in a row, and sometimes Arab like to just fuse them. وَلَنْ يُشَادَ الدِّينَ أَحَدٌ. And no one will try and play the game of tug of war with this deen to try and make it more difficult. إِلَّا غَلَبَهُ الدِّينَ. Except the deen will beat him and will win, and the ease of Islam will prevail. The ease of Islam will prevail over the one who's trying to make it more difficult than it actually is. And because of that, Islam is moderate and balanced. Why? Because doing the right thing, brothers and sisters, will always have difficulty in it. It's always hard. Doing the right thing? You're kidding me? It's almost synonymous with being the most difficult thing. But that's the point that the Prophet ﷺ is trying to make, that it's not synonymous. So don't see it as is. Don't see it as synonymous to the right thing, difficult thing, right thing. They're not synonymous. They often are, but they're not always. So your focus is not, I'm going to do the most difficult thing at this moment. Your concept, I'm going to do the most correct thing to do. I'm going to do the right thing in this moment. And if there's a method to do this that will be of ease, then I'll choose that. And if not, then la hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. But I don't choose difficulty just for the sake of difficulty. And that's the balance that this deen carries. And it's a beautiful concept to think about, and it's very meaningful. يروي الإمام البخاري في صحيحه عن أبي هريرة رضي الله عنه قال قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم إن الدين يسر ولن يشاد الدين أحد إلا غلبه. صدق رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم. الحمد لله لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. صلى الله وسلم وبارك على نبينا محمد وعلى آله